My name's Rich Harrington, and welcome to Understanding Adobe Photoshop. Today, we're going to talk about a selection command that lets you refine your selections. That's the Quick Mask mode. Here's how it works. Let's go ahead and make a basic selection. Now to do this, I'm going to use the color range command. So I'll choose Select, Color Range, and I'm just going to quickly select the actual image in the background there. We'll set this to none here, and we'll just start to drag through, holding down the Shift key, and I get a good accurate selection. I'll pull the fuzziness down a bit and just start to grab. And you see there, we're using the selection command pretty effectively. And we get most of our stuff picked up as we drag through. Now, if we need to refine this, it's a piece of cake. Let's go ahead and invert it. So we've got the pump selected, and I'll click OK. And you see we have a basic selection, but some stray pixels. That's okay. We can use our paintbrush tool to clean these up. Here's how. You press Q to go to the Quick Mask mode. And if you're not happy with the color, in this case red on red, it's a little difficult to see. So just click that, double click that, and you can actually change the color to whatever you want, as well as the opacity to make it easier to see what is selected. So Q engages it, grab my paintbrush tool, and right bracket for a bigger brush, and just start to paint. White subtracts, black adds. And you see we can go through and just pick up any missing areas that we want to add to the selection or subtract from the selection. And as we go through, that cleans it up nicely. There we go. And if you want to check your progress, just press Q to toggle it off. I see I'm doing pretty well, but have some stray pixels down here and towards the top. So there we go. Just paint those in. And remember, a quick Q to toggle off and on makes it easier to see what you're missing. It's looking good. There we go. And there's our selection. Now, if I want to refine this area in here, I notice that I've got some areas selected that I don't want. That's the pump. It was pretty shadowy, and it just got picked up by the command. So we could switch over, X to toggle over to a white brush, and just paint that in. Remember, you can also zoom in with Command or Control plus, and hold down the space bar to move around your image, making it easier to tell what you're getting. You could paint with 100% brush or even partial opacity to make a gentler selection. There we go. And I'm just cleaning that up. Switch back over, paint a little more. And if you want to, you can even use the blur command to sort of soften your edge there, blurring the Quick Mask, which helps out if you've got a rough selected edge. So if you've got an area that looks a little hard to you, such as let's come over here, and this seems a little artificial, I could just blur that edge. B for brush to switch back, and I can go ahead and just continue to modify. So as you see there, it makes it really easy to get an accurate selection. When you're all done, Q key will exit you out of the quick selection, and you are ready to manipulate the image, mask it, transform it, do anything that your heart desires. For Understanding Adobe Photoshop, my name is Rich Harrington.